Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. It appears that my creative juices have been flowing, so I did another nail art. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. There's also that little bell down there below, so make sure you click on that so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. I enjoyed this one because I love magnetic polishes, and I hope you like it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to allow the man to take hold and watch the magic appear, and I'll see you in the next video.